need to control which tools your AI assistant exposes to different users or environments. We'll use FastMCP's tag-based filtering to selectively show or hide tools, like marking one as public while restricting another to admin-only access. You'll see exactly how to tag tools during definition and configure the server to enforce these visibility rules. At MCP, tool tags equals public, utility. Def public tool, SDR. Return, this tool is public. At MCP, tool tags equals internal, admin. Def admin tool, SDR. Return, this tool is for admins only. This demonstrates tag-based component filtering, a declarative access control pattern for modular systems. The pattern uses metadata tags to categorize components, then applies include-exclude rules at runtime to control visibility. Unlike role-based access systems that require explicit permission mapping, this approach lets you define access rules through simple set operations on tags. The system works by treating tags as first-class metadata during component registration. When the server initializes, it applies the tag filters to create a dynamic view of available components, effectively implementing a publish-subscribe model for capabilities. This separation between definition and exposure means you can maintain a single code base while serving different capability sets to different clients or environments. This approach solves the problem of capability sprawl in growing systems, where you need to expose different functionality to different audiences without duplicating code. It's particularly valuable for internal tools, multi-tenant systems, or progressive rollouts, where you want to control feature availability through configuration rather than code changes. The trade-off is slightly more upfront tagging discipline, but the payoff comes in reduced maintenance as your system scales. Let's break it down line by line. At MCP, tool tags equals public, utility. Def public tool, SDR. This decorator exposes public tool as an AI callable function with metadata tags. The tags parameter categorizes tools for access control and discovery, enabling selective exposure to different user groups. This is FastMCP's standard pattern for tool registration and metadata attachment. Return, this tool is public. This return statement defines the tool's output string that will be sent back to the calling AI model. The simple string response demonstrates the minimum viable implementation pattern for FastMCP tools, where the return value becomes the AI visible result. At MCP, tool tags equals internal, admin. Def admin tool, SDR. This decorator exposes admin tool to AI models while restricting access via the internal admin tags. The tag system enables role-based access control, ensuring only authorized callers can invoke this function. This is the standard FastMCP pattern for securing sensitive tools. Return, this tool is for admins only. This return statement defines the tool's output when called by an AI or system. The string becomes the response payload, ensuring the tool provides clear, actionable feedback about its restricted admin-only access. Tag-based exposure pattern. The MCP tool decorator with tags parameter creates a dual existence for functions, simultaneously public interfaces and private implementations, where visibility is determined by server configuration rather than code location. Exclude tags always override include tags, making them the ultimate authority in tag conflicts. This pattern enables environment-specific toolsets without modifying the underlying implementation.
The tool that is everywhere becomes nowhere when the server speaks its name.